Over the centuries, Diwali has become a national festival that's also enjoyed and celebrated by non-Hindu communities, commemorating true secularism and diversity. Every region in India has distinctive traditions for observing this festival. However, among all belief systems, Diwali represents the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and wisdom over ignorance.
केसर तिलक लगा जश्न दिवाली मनाओ जश्न दिवाली मनाओ
Wow, what a marvelous performance. एक के बाद एक बैक टू बैक ब्लास्ट. दिवाली है क्या? पटाखों के बौछार हैं. अब आप ही बताइए, इसे ही तो कहते हैं गूंज. As William Shakespeare said, all the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. And today our young stars have truly owned the stage.
These young talents have truly showcased the essence of one world, one nation, where love, peace and harmony rules over everything. Thank you, Ms. Shivi ma'am and team for such a marvelous performance. Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears. Cowards die many times before their deaths. The valiant never taste death. But once.
What happened? Why are you acting like a dramebaz?
My dear friend, रोम एक दिन में नहीं बना, लेकिन आज हम ड्रामा, राजनीति और विश्वासघात का एक साम्राज्य दिखाएंगे.
That's right. The Bard's masterpiece is coming to life on the stage, and we are thrilled to have you witness the intrigue, the power struggles, and the timeless quest for the leadership.
तैयार हो जाइए रोम के शक्तिशाली नेताओं से मिलने के लिए. सीजर, ब्रूटस, केशियस और मार्क एंटनी. कौन सर्वोपरि होगा, कौन गिरेगा?
And what about the famous phrase, beware the Ides of March? Will our heroes heed the warning?
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए जब हम प्राचीन रोम की यात्रा पर जाएंगे, जहां सम्मान, वफादारी और महत्वाकांक्षा टकराएंगे।
यह नाटक रोम के तानाशाह जूलियस सीजर के खिलाफ राजनीतिक साजिश की कहानी बताता है, जहां महत्वाकांक्षा, सम्मान और नियंत्रण जैसे संघर्षों की पड़ताल होती है जो आज भी प्रासंगिक हैं।
So now, put your hands together for the talented cast and crew of Julius Caesar. They'll take you to the Roman Senate, the Forum and the battlefields.
साजिशकर्ता जमा हो रहे हैं, भीड़ जुट रही है, तैयार हो जाइए, रोम इंतजार कर रहा है।
It's time to experience Shakespeare's timeless classic. So, let the drama begin. Portrays the tragic events in the life of Julius Caesar, the great ruler of Rome. Shakespeare's work permeated Christian values and ethics, presenting to you Julius Caesar.
On the 15th of March 44 BC, the dictator Julius Caesar was murdered by his senators. It was not a fiction, it's a historical fact. Julius Caesar, who recently became the dictator of the Roman Empire, rose jealousy and anger in the minds of a few senators.
I am Mark Antony, the statesman of Rome. There was once a king, long ago, was an emperor. He would seize what is so mighty, powerful, Julius Caesar. I was true friend of Julius Caesar. When you hear Julius Caesar, what's on your mind? A soldier, a villain, a statesman, or a hero? He was murdered mostly. 23 wounds of chaps. I call you my friends, Romans and countrymen, tell me are yours. Bear the heart of Roman and see what happened to Julius Caesar.
Be aware of the eyes of Mark, Brutus, a noble senator, meets Cassius and other conspirators. He decides to join them. Cassius and others are full of jealousy and mistrust to Caesar's power. But Brutus is only concerned about the common good.
Why, Brutus? Why do I feel that you're avoiding my company?
No, Cassius, you are one of my few friends. But it's true, I'm disturbed these days.
In that case, good Brutus, I know you're holding yourself. You're hiding your good qualities.
But I'm afraid people choose Caesar to be their king.
Brutus, I know you. You work and strive for Rome. But why this difference? We were born equal. Why should Caesar be given the place of God? He's such a big man. It amazes me. Why should such a big man appear as a victor? Brutus, you are capable of leading Rome and take her to the Senate of success. You are capable and Caesar will have to die.
Cassius!
Yes, the tyrant should die. Restore liberty. I have called upon the senators to discuss and decide Caesar's murder. Here they come.
Have you come to our meeting? Why, these men?
This is Trebonius, Decius, Casca, Sina, Metellus Timber, Cicero, and Caspero.
You all are welcome here.
Caesar, Servicius, a tyrant dictator. Shall we only kill Caesar? Let Antony and Caesar die together.
No need. Our actions will go too violent. Antony is only a